Welcome to Single Server in Excel. Today we're going to do an overview of the ribbon. The ribbon is made up of the following components. The first part are tabs, which is everything from Home to Power Pivot. This is Excel's main tasks that are needed to perform core tasks. The next section are groups. For the Home tab, these include clipboard, font, alignment, number, styles, cells, editing. Each tab has its own group. So for example, in Insert, you have these groups: Tables, Illustrations, Add-ins, Charts, Tours, Sparklines, Filters, Links, Text, Symbols. Next are command buttons. Within each group, you find the command buttons that you can select to perform an action or open a gallery. So back to the Home tab, under the Font group, we have these action buttons: the type of font, the font size, bold, italics, underline, etc. Finally, we have the Dialog Box Launcher. These are the tiny buttons located at the lower right corners of groups. These open a dialog box that contain additional options for you to select. So for example, if we clicked on the dialog box for fonts, we would get these additional commands that we can use that are not in the command buttons. If you have any questions or suggestions for future videos, leave a comment in the section below. Also, like and subscribe and click the bell icon for updates on new videos.